This is a 212,000 kilometer turbo. Look, that's why there is a P0299 low boost on the engine. I was able to remove it. Just needs a repair kit for this. Okay, I'm back again. So installing back the bushing is as easy as using a brass spacer like this. Don't hit directly the bushing. See, it will go inside very easily. Just be patient in hammering it. So you just need to make sure that it's gonna be inserted as the original position. Okay, I'll take a photo again later once finished. So you just need to hammer it, okay? Or you can use the old bushing. So put it on top of the old one, of the new one, and then hammer the top. So that's what I do. Just little more hammering, and the wastegate would be, a second, I can't see the hole. There you go. See the gap? So a little more hammering, and then somewhere around that, maybe another 4 mil or 5 mil, and that's it. It's almost complete. Okay, I'm back again. So just need to weld that wastegate bushing rod, or whatever you call it. See, it's on the proper position now. So tomorrow I just need to weld it, and the fix is finished. Just need to install it back. See, perfect.